Gotta get fuel. That wasn't too bad. It was 11 gallons. She don't have a big tank, 16 gallons. My duct tape. So it don't take long to fill it up. It don't take long to burn it up. Well, we'll see if it cranks up when we get off work today. Off work! Right there where it's supposed to be, waiting on me. It can't wait to run, boy, I tell you what. This fires right up. Makes me wonder. Right there. That radiator is leaking. So with that in mind, I guess it's time to take this thing apart again. Well, let her drain out. This may take a minute. Well, just picked up the warranted radiator. So let's put it back in the car. Just tightening bolts and hooking up hoses. Well, let's test, see if the fan comes on. I've got it all wired back up, installed. Let's check it. You can feel it blowing out. If it's not blowing out this way, and it's blowing out the front, you've got to wire it up backwards. You're not going to cool it. Now that I got my radiator installed, I filled it up with antifreeze. I'm going to crank it up and let it run for about 30 minutes with the heat on. So that way it circulates throughout the motor and the heater core, and I'll check it, add more to it, and once I quit seeing bubbles come out while it's running, that means I've gotten all the air out. Then I'm going to put the top on, let it run for about another, 15 minutes, let it build up pressure, come around here, be sure I don't have any leaks. If I don't have any leaks, and I'll let it cool down, then I'll check my fluid one more time, top it off, and it should be good to go. That's all for today. Removing and reinstalling a radiator and a classic car. I don't know if it was just a bad radiator, modifications are rolling in on this car. Stay tuned for the next video. See you guys later.